first job in food was working at a 50s diner as the milkshake girl, literally like scooping, making milkshakes and putting copious amounts of whipped cream on top of things to make people like freak out when they came to the table. It's not even fair to ask what my guilty pleasure food is. I don't have any guilty, I don't have guilt around things I should have guilt around, like gummy bears, hot dogs, nachos, Cheetos. I mean, I'm a junk food addict and it's bad. I'm trying to change my ways, but it's not working. Dream dinner guest is, I mean, the list is long, but my wife always, Beyoncé, Barack and Michelle Obama. I could go on for years. The strangest food I've ever tried is probably balut. It's like a duck egg that's, it's bad. Favorite music to listen to while I cook. Beyoncé, Sia. I also listen to a lot of public radio while I'm cooking, like keep my head moving. My best food tip for someone cooking at home, it's a couple things, right? Like, don't be afraid of high heat. Obviously, disable your smoke alarm if you need to, but don't be afraid of high heat when you're cooking at home. Taste everything, taste everything, taste everything. When I'm cooking at home and I have guests, by the time we sit down, I'm full because I've been tasting things for the entire time I'm cooking. Again, there's not picking one, like a low country boil, chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes with chicken fried steak, fried okra stew. I mean, I can do this all day. How long do you have? Anything with okra. My advice for young chefs is super boring. Like, stay focused, find someone who's doing something and whose life looks, find someone whose work looks something like you want your life to look like your work to look like, and get yourself next to them and just commit to someone. It's so interesting, we were just having this conversation last night, but I overheard someone say, working for the same place for 10 years is more impactful than working for different places over 10 years, 1 year at a time. My favorite dive, it's not that I don't have them, it's that I can't pick my favorite dive bar food. Nachos probably. Hot dogs, like we call them dirty water dogs up north, so like boiled hot dogs. I know, it's gross, like in hot dog water. Chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, loaded fries. Come on, I'm here for all of it. It's so gross. I'm the worst. How do you pick your favorite Beyoncé song? I can't. It's totally mood-based, right? Like, it's totally mood-based. But album is definitely Lemonade. Like, whether I'm wanting to like feel great or mad at someone, or I want to tell the world to go fuck off, or I want to like get myself like pumped, it's Lemonade.